Hi, everybody. It's Susie Q96, and I'm giving you a little sneak preview of some of the items that we will be giving away on the Lodo Coin Collecting Show this coming Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Uh, Sorry if this is a little shaky, but I'm having to hand hold my camera. I can't find my tripod. Uh, you can see there's some nice looking copper over there, a great big bar of it, and a copper round. Got some uncirculated copper pennies. Got a whole bunch of silver. Um, if you have not gotten an entry in one of the previous shows, that means you haven't been watching, and so you may not have a chance to win the silver round or the proof set. So I'm going to give you one more chance. You need to read the instructions on this video and leave a comment. You also would be nice if you would actually join the channel and hit the like button, subscribe and all that good doodah. Anyway, this is part of it. I've still got a few more items to pick out, and we will see you Monday at 5 p.m. where you can win some goodies. That's pretty cool. I dread seeing what the postage on this bad boy is going to be. Yeah. Well, anyway, follow the directions and we will pick a couple more people to put on the wheel to see who wins all the goodies. See you Monday.